Welcome back to another video. Today we got best in class pumps, save up to 83%. Drummond Predator gas powered pumps from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is an email. First coupon we have is a 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump for $49.99. 1-inch gasoline engine clear water pump, 79cc, $149.99. You got the 1 by 25 feet PVC discharge hose, $14.99. I gotta say, these hoses are great deals because last year I had my washer went down and I had to go and buy one of these hoses, and it was really expensive. I didn't know Harbor Freight sold hoses back then, but yeah, they were actually paid more than these, than these two. So just keep something to keep in mind. You got the 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump, $74.99. You got the 2 semi-trash gasoline engine water pump, $174.99. You got the 2 by 25 feet PVC discharge hose, $24.99. You got the 3/4 horsepower or 3/4 horsepower submersible stainless steel utility pump for $149.99. 3-inch semi-trash gasoline engine water pump, $279.99. 3-inch by 25 feet PVC discharge hose for $34.99. You got a 1 by 20 feet PVC intake hose for $19.99. You got a 2-inch by 20 feet PVC intake hose for $39.99. A 3-inch 15 feet PVC intake hose for $69.99. So what they're saying is that you need an intake hose for these. Like for these pumps that are external, they can be submerged into water. You need to add some sort of hose that's hard, so that when it's sucking, it holds up. That's what that means. You got 5 feet by 5 feet by 7 feet, $249 resistant tarp. You got 11 feet by 15 feet heavy duty reflective weather resistant tarp, $12.99. 11 feet by 18 feet, $18.99. You got the 19 feet by 29 feet. That's a heavy duty for $49.99. You got the 3,500 watt super quiet inverted generators, $7.99. If you're gonna get this on sale, it's pretty decent price. You wait for a parking lot sale, usually have them a little bit lower. But these two are great. Well, actually, all of them are great inverter or generators. These inverter generators will get you cleaner energy than these. I don't know if you guys know about electricity, but the cleaner energy is for your sensitive equipment. Me personally, I have a solar system, and I did not have a pure sine wave inverter, and one of my fans went out because of that. But then again, I was using it every day, all day, you know what I mean. But if you're going to be using something like this in an emergency situation or stuff that's not sensitive, that's more than perfectly fine. Tools, that's fine. But yeah, that's 3,500 watt for $6.99. You got this 2,000 watt super quiet inverted generator for $4.49. I think this was the best one to get because it's lighter, it's portable, and probably wastes less gas than this one. But then again, there's people that need the full 3,500 watts. So you got 43.75 max starting, 35 running watts, 3,500. 16-hour runtime for $349. You got the 6,500 max starting, 5,500 running, $449. 14.5 hour runtime. You got the 9000 max starting, 7250 running watts, 13 horsepower, 629, 13-hour runtime, and then you got the 8750 max starting, 7000 running watts, 539. You got the 4032 running watts for 289. On these, wait for, if you want to get a smoking deal on these, wait for the parking lot sales. I do have videos on my channel. Check out my other videos where I go to the parking lot sales and you guys see the prices on these. Some of these are like $200 or $220. So I mean, that's a smoking deal for something like that. You got the 900 max starting, 700 running watts, 2 horsepower, 2-cycle gas engine generator. Yeah, this is a 5-hour runtime, $89.99. It's a 2-cycle. A lot of people don't like 2-cycle because it's more complicated. It's more sensitive. But always, every time you're running a 2-cycle engine, even if it's this or a weed eater or a chainsaw, make sure you're using stable. That is very important. Even if you're on the storing fuel, because you want to store fuel in case of an emergency or something like that, always use stable. Stable prevents the gas from actually, because when you store gas for a long time, it becomes like slime, like slime. So it'll get thick on certain parts and it'll jam the internals of these carburetors, and stable prevents that from happening. So 8-inch never flat generator wheel kit, $19.99. 25 feet 10 gauge generator duty twist lock extension cord, $37.99. You got the 2000 watt RV ready parallel inverter generator kit. So this is the parallel kit for these. This right here. I believe that's, yeah, for $39.99. You got the 3-in-1 portable power pack, $44.99. There's a lot of mixed reviews on these. A lot of people are saying that these work fine. There's a couple of videos that they say they're working, that they suck and they don't start a vehicle. Just go on their website, read all the reviews, make sure that's the item you want to get, if that's what you want to go with. Me personally, I haven't purchased any of these. Maybe I will in the future to test them out. But for now, I do have the jump starter and power pack for $69, $69.99. I gotta say, this is a great item. Check out my video. I do have a 3-month review on this thing, and I'm actually using the 3-month-old charge from when I got it. So on that video. So I'll see if I can link that up. If not, just look up the Toolhead 147 and just put jump starter and power pack, or Viking jump starter and power pack, and it should just pop up on the search on YouTube. You got the heavy duty batteries, $2.99. Alkaline batteries, $4.99. And then you got the newest, which is supposedly the best ones. I gotta get some of these and test them out. $6.99, which is not a bad deal. If they are as good as they advertise, then this is a smoking deal for $6.99. You get, take 18 pack. Especially those AAAs are like real expensive. Those Duracell Energizer AAAs. Oh my god. 588 lumen tactical flashlight, just under $10. All these Quinn brand is a great brand. So pretty much any of these flashlights will be good for you. So you got the 310 lumen headlamp for $9.99. You got the 534 lumen 3D flashlight for $16.99. And you also, whenever you're purchasing a flashlight like this, look at the lumens. 588, 310, 534. There's some flashlights that have a lot more lumens than others. And also look at the if it contains a rechargeable battery, if it's rechargeable or not. Make sure you look all those details before you buy your flashlight. 250 lumen pop-up lantern for $4.99. Alright, looks like that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.